do not watch this ungayibukanga yokuqala. But-ke let me continue. uNkulunkulu yena as a prime being osesetha ama-principles okuba umuntu shothi iBhayibheli libe libuya. So what is the strategy ongayisebenzisa-ke in that form? So ukuthi uthathe iBhayibheli mase uyalimanipulate, uliguqule iBhayibheli uliphendule kube yilona elikusizayo wena in your politics. Ila khona they used iBhayibheli nepolitiki ndawonye. Number 1 ifuna ukutshela namhlanje wazi iBhayibheli alisoze. And ngiphinda futhi iBhayibheli alisoze. It will never align with any politic emhlabeni. So if you see a politician ebamba iBhayibheli, leyo politician yakho kumele uqale uyitshele ukuthi ayiguquki ngobuKristu, i-understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu is above lento le ayenzayo before abe leader. And that is the only way leyo politician yakho izokwazi ukuthi be leader. It is when I understand ukuthi le ncwadi le ingaphezu kwakhe. So what did they do? They used the Bible balibeka ngaphansi kwabo.